So in this series of 3D printing basics, we will learn how to set up a 3D print in Ultimaker Cura. Okay, so first of all, we will have to open a file. There will be a STL file, so I'll just open this one. So you can set it up anywhere like this. This is the move tool. This is the scale tool by which you can scale your model. Like I am doing it 80%. We can move it again. Just double tap on it and it will move. This is the rotate tool. You can rotate it anyways, like so. Okay, so this is the mirror. This is per model settings, and this is the support blocker. So here we are in the standard quality profile. So we can keep the layer height from anywhere from 0.06 to 0.32. 0.32 is the worst and 0.06 is the best quality which your printer can handle. The line width is usually the size of your nozzle. You can keep it 0.6 for faster and stronger prints. Now we come to the shell portion. In the shell portion you will get wall thickness, the size of the wall, the thickness of the wall instead of the infill, and the wall line count. Like if the line width is 0.4 and the wall line count is 3, so 0.4 into 3 is 1.2 mm. So like so it is calculated. The top and bottom thickness, top layers and bottom layers. Then we move on to the infill settings. So the ideal infill is 20%. It is very strong, but if you have to make a part which is stronger and needs to handle more loads, you can keep it 80 to 90%. I don't recommend keeping the infill to 100%. It will increase time and will not give you the sufficient strength as well. Here it is the infill pattern. I recommend the cubic infill pattern, but you have 20 infill patterns here. This is the material settings tab. So here I have the general PETG filament. So I am using 240 degrees Celsius for the nozzle and 80 degrees for the bed. I have a custom and very strong printer, so I print at 150 millimeter per second. I recommend printing at 50 millimeter per second. Now we come to the cooling tab. This is the cooling fan speed. The support functionality. We do not need supports in the model, so I am just switching it off. And the build plate adhesion. You can choose any of these. Then we just click on slice and it will show you the time with the cost of the filament, the length of the filament which will be used, and the weight of the filament which will be used. So happy 3D printing, guys. See you later.